HP has added a second Windows mixed reality headset to its line. This is called the Professional Edition. This handset, according to HP, is more oriented towards a professional environment, and is said to be designed for longer sessions in which users may need to jump out of the virtual world to adjust the environment or parameters and then jump back. The elimination of the headphones can be a somewhat cumbersome task, especially when it is done frequently. In order to mitigate this common problem, Professional Edition uses double-padded headphones for comfort, in addition to maintaining a front-hinged screen function. By moving the headset up, users can easily come and go between reality and virtual reality. Specific to the Professional Edition are the cushions, which are easier to clean and replace, which help with hygiene when several people use the same device. Apart from the previous changes, the specifications regarding Professional Edition are not different from the non-PE edition. It uses dual LCD screens of 2.89 inches at a resolution of 1440 x 1440 each per eye, along with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It also offers Windows Mixed Reality Ultra, with a field of view of 100 degrees from 90 degrees, which allows immersion in the environment. With motion controllers, there are 6 degrees of freedom 6 degf without tracking limits for freedom of movement. The VR headset also includes integrated motion tracking that allows participants to jump directly into mixed reality without configuring additional peripherals.